Hey guys, it's Sandy. Welcome back to CutePolish. We know you guys loved Juli's video on dip powder nails, but we read your comments and saw that you'd love to hear more about the product, specifically the pros and cons of dip powder. So today, Juli will be sharing just that.
Hey, it's Julie. Now let's jump right in with the pros of dip powder. The best thing about dip powder is how long wearing it is. If done properly, a dip powder manicure is going to last you well over 2 weeks or until you remove it yourself. Dip powder is also odorless, unlike some gel polishes that have a terrible chemical smell and the monomer used to do acrylic nails. This particular dip powder is also cruelty-free and non-toxic. Unlike gel, dip powder does not require a UV light to cure it. After each step, the powder is almost completely dry in a matter of seconds, making it almost impossible to smudge or mess up. You can also use dip powder to reinforce fake nail tips. All you have to do is apply the tip with some nail glue to your natural nail, then apply the dip powder following the instructions. Dip powder also adds a ton of strength to your natural nails, so if you have brittle nails, this will protect them and keep them strong. And the last good thing about dip powder is it doesn't take a lot of precision. With gel polish, you have to keep your coats even or else you could flood your nail with gel and it gets everywhere. And the consistency of gel can be kind of hard to work with if you're not familiar with it. With dip powder, you just have to coat the nail and dip. But there are some cons to dip powder. Dip powder can be pretty messy. It's very easy to spill the powder out of the jar, and because it's a powder, it gets absolutely everywhere. It could also be considered possibly unsanitary. Some people may not like dipping their nails into the same pot of powder that other clients use if you get it done at a salon. However, if you do this at home and get your own kit, you won't have that problem. If you do decide to pick this up for yourself, it is a bit pricey. This kit by Cara Sky comes with everything you need except additional dip colors, and it is almost $100. Another con to dip powder is that there are a lot of steps you have to follow to do the manicure right. It's also kind of hard to tell what the color is going to look like on the nail compared to the powder form and based off the packaging. Here are a few colors I have, and they look nothing like the swatch on the bottle, and they completely change colors once they're not in powder form. So there you have the pros and cons to dip powder. I hope you found this helpful, and I hope it answered some of your questions. If you'd like to watch more helpful CutePolish videos, you can click on these boxes here and click on the circle here to subscribe to CutePolish for a new video every week. And if you'd like to check out my personal channel, you can click on the circle here.